Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect Hostinger domain to Wix. So first is you just have to log into your Hostinger account, and then on the other tab, you also need to log into your Wix account. Okay, so after that, you just have to choose the website that you want to connect with Wix. So currently, I have this website. Okay, so once you are on your dashboard, on your website dashboard, all you have to do is to go here on the settings. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and then look for the domains. Okay, so we have that right here under the site domain and SEO. So tap on this domains. After that, you just have to tap on this add an existing domain. So tap on the connected domain you already own. Okay, and then here you just have to type out the name of your domain. So let's go back here in Hostinger and go to the domains, and then you have your domain name right here. So I'm just going to copy this one. So go back here and then paste the name of your domain. After that, tap on let's go. Okay, so you have this one right here. So tap on this. Yes, I own this domain. So after that, just tap on the start option. Okay, and then step two. And for step one is we have to log into our domain provider. Okay, so go to your domain provider site and log in and come back here for the next step. So we already logged in, and the next here just have to go to our control panel. Okay, so just go to the manage DNS. That's right, and then tap on the I found my domain. Okay, so we already found this one. We have to replace the name servers with the Wix name servers below at one at a time. Okay, so since our domain is from Squarespace, so we are going to open our Squarespace account and go to the domains and then tap on your domain. So right here, just go to the DNS section and you have here now your domain name servers. So we are going to update this one. So tap on the update name servers and then go back here and then we are going to copy the first one. So we have this first name server and then we are going to delete this one and paste it right here and then paste it right here as well. After that, tap on the save option. So let's go back here and tap on the I've replaced my name servers. And then after that, you already connected your Hostinger domain to your Wix website. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.